people that don't know, Khabib is undefeated. He's 25-0, and it is impossible to go undefeated in this sport. This guy is the real deal. He's a beast. But it's funny, I think that Holloway is very underrated. Like the stats that I told you in the beginning, you know, the guy hasn't lost in 5 years, and his last loss was a decision to Conor. You know, Conor's out there knocking everybody out at 155. Holloway went to a decision with him. He's got the most stoppages in featherweight history, and he's an absolute beast, and I think he's completely underrated. But at the end of the day, Khabib is a monster. It's just, when you break this fight down, you look at the stats, it's awesome.
Yeah, you know, the winner would seem to line up for a fight with Conor McGregor later this year. Have you had any initial discussions with him? Is he interested in fighting the winner of this fight?
Conor's coming back this year 100%. He will fight this year, and we'll see how this thing plays out, and we'll go from there.
Why? Because even he have injured his tough opponent. 10 win streak, he beat a lot of guys. And we have big history. I really want to smash his face. And I still want this fight.
Yeah, Brock Lesnar's coming back.
So
I don't know when, but yes, he is.